Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to go over how spray foam roofing performs in colder climates. We've had some people on our website that live in Canada, Upper Michigan, Minnesota that get temperatures, around negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and they have concerns on how spray foam roofing can perform in their climate. We've been doing roofing for 40 years and been doing stuff in those territories, and we've had no issues at all with any freezing, any cracking. Anything with any of the formulations of the foam going on, there is no problem. The only issue is to put it on, it's got to be 50 degrees and rising. So, yeah, it's a big issue when you're living in those cold temperatures. So you want to make sure you get in the summer and make sure you get into a time frame where it is that temperature so you can get it down. But as far as the performing in the cold, we've had no issues with freezing, cracking, none of those issues at all. Nothing with added weight with snow, it still performs great. The only thing I want to add in is that performance-wise, it probably performs even better in the colder areas because with it having the best R value per square inch, you're keeping more of the heat in your building. If it's super cold and it's not insulated right, you're going to be using the HVAC unit nonstop in the winter. But if the heat's all kept in, you're going to have more of a swing in energy savings, than any other roofing system out there. So in summary, it performs amazing in cold weather. For more details, please read our blog post. It has more in-depth analysis on everything there, but click on the description of the URL. You can learn more there. But hopefully today you learned at least one thing new, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.